All right. The next song is a new song from our new album. And this is about how sometimes even the best of our efforts, the best person inside yourself is not able to save you. Then what do you do? And when you just want to give up, you want to throw your hands up and say, I have lost this. I'm dead. That's when a certain stranger walks into your life who does a small little help for you, and it changes your entire life. It has happened to me several times in my life. For example, for 7 or 9 years, I would record new demos every few months, and I would go to Bombay from Bangalore trying to record, trying to convince a record label. And every record label told me that my music will never sell. Some even told me that I'm not good looking enough for a poster, that my album will sell. I am fat, Baba, what to do? All my dad's property is here only. Huh? Nevertheless, the fact is, one day I wanted to just give up, saying maybe I've studied science, maybe I should go back to my hometown, Mysore, and become a school teacher or something like that. And just when I was thinking of that and trying to decide if I should give up, I got a call saying, do you think you can play a small gig in Bombay in a bar called Zenzi in Bandra? So I agreed to play that small gig. I was in Mumbai, so I went that evening in my lungi and kurta and one guitar and gungru. And I sang my heart out thinking that is my last concert. It started with 4 people in the audience. It became 300 at the end of the show in that hall. But what was important was, in that 300 crowd were 3 guys who changed my life forever. Vishal Shekhar, the music director duo, and Vijay Nair from this company called Only Much Louder from Bombay. These guys met me after the gig and said, Kiske gaane hai? So I said, they are all my songs. And he said, why haven't you put this out into an album? Then I told, see, every record label has rejected me very promptly. So Shekhar said, come to our studio tomorrow, we need to talk. So I went to their studio. Story abhi baki hai, interval hai abhi. So I went to their studio the next morning, and they made me sing again. And I started with song 1, and those 2 guys sitting in front of me were talking. Vishal and Shekhar both were talking. Yeah, kya. And I was like, what the hell? They called me all the way to their studio and they're talking while I'm singing. Should I stop? Should I just go? These are just Bollywood types. They will not understand my music. And just when I thought I should again stop and walk out, Vishal said, 1 minute, rukna. We have decided we should start a new record label and you will be our first artist. I don't know what made those 2 guys do what they did. They put a lot of money behind this band and made it happen what it is today. Our album came out in 2008 and it went on to become the non-film music album, the highest selling album in this country, sold not through stores but hand to hand at every concert. Me and Gaurav would stand in one of those corners there after a concert and sell it ourselves. When record labels were saying 2,000-3,000 copies, we sold 70,000 copies in 3 years. And not just that, in 2010, we went on to become the #1 world music album on UK World Music Charts. This song is about such beautiful people who walk into our lives without even telling you, without even giving you a clue, and change your life forever. That is the only testimonial that we have today that God exists and He's watching at you. He's looking after you. He's taking care of you. No church, no temple, no mosque, nothing. God exists in the form of ordinary people like you and I, who will come into your life and do that small little help when you need it most. We all need to learn the fact that people are good, basically, and they are all angels in our lives. We just need to learn to recognize them. This song is called Parasiva. ಬಂದು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ದವನೆ ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮುಳ್ಳಿನ ಹಾದಿಯಾಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ನ ಇದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಳಿಜಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಊರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯನೇ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಾಣಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ದವನು ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಜೀವನದ ಸಂಗಡ ಇಟ್ಟವನೆ ಎಕಡ ಚಮಡಿ ಹರಿದು ದಮಡಿ ಗಿಟ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡವನೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಸೋನೆ ತಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದವನೆ ಓ ಎದ್ದೋ ಬಿದ್ದೋ ಬದುಕು ಬಾಳೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಸಂಸಾರ ಸಿಗದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಿಂದಿ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಜೊತೆಗಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ನಸಿ ಸೋದೋರ್ನಿಂದು ಸಾಯಕ್ಬಿಡ್ರೆ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯಾನೆ ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಮಾರ್ವೆಷ್ಟ ಬಂದೋರು ಬಂದು ಕಾಪಾಡೋನು ಏಳು ಮಲೆ ಮಾದಪ್ಪಾನೆ ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಪರಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೆ 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 ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಪರಶಿವನ ಸಂತ ಸೋನೆ ಸೈಸೋರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ್ ನೋಡು ಹುಡುಕಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಓ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕತ್ಲಾಗೆ ಆಕಾಶನೇ ಕಳ್ಚಿ ತಲ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಜೀವನ ಕಾಳೋದು